Life is not easy at all. There's gonna be challenges, you are gonna get beat down. That's the way life is. You say, you sort of put a mask on your face and you go home and lay in your bed when no one's looking at you. When you don't have to impress anybody and you are yourself and fear comes in, maybe you don't know for sure what's going to happening in the future. And it scares you, just that fear paralyzes you. And I just want to ask you today, do you think you have hope at the some point everything going to go south on you? Everything gonna go south, or you are gonna say this is it? This is how I end now. You can either accept that or you can get to work. That's all it. You just begin, you do the math, you solve one problem and you solve the next one. And it doesn't matter how you get knocked down in life, because that's going to happen. All that matters that you go to get up, and you have to get up. Whatever experience you have having right now, it has not come to stay, it has come to pass. Sometimes you have to just back up and go within yourself and pray for mediate and recharge your batteries, go away, clear your head, and then come back and look at it from a different vantage point. Don't operate while you are under the spell or the effect of what's going on. Don't allow your emotions to control you. We are emotional. We are all emotional. But you want to begin to discipline your emotion? If you don't discipline and contain your emotions, they will use you. You don't have to force yourself or motivate yourself to think negatively, to be depressed, to beat yourself up over the head. To feel loaded with guilt, you don't have to make any effort to do that. Your mind is on automatic. It will do by itself. But if you want to begin to move into your own personal greatness, you have to be willing to go against the tide. You have to go on willing on the harness you will. And say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this get me down. I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm coming back. You ask the part, what do you want, man? I'm not going to let this get me down. I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm going back. You ask the part, what do you want, man? I want to be diamond. Tell me something. I don't know. Everybody want it, but the reality of it is everybody don't get it. And the crazy things is, if you want to it, you can get it. It's not like somebody stop you holding the gun on your head and tell you you can't get it. It's matter of will. It's matter of hard work. It's matter of sacrifice. It's matter of dedication. It's matter of commitment. The difference is not the genetic code. It's a guy that willing to get knocked down, finally tested on the fortune, stand back up to perseverance. To see it through, they never say die attitude. We know the battle ahead. We know the journey ahead gonna go tough. We know we're gonna face obstacles. We know it's gonna be some discomfort. We know they are gonna try to break us. We know they coming for us. We know that's gonna happen already. So let's make up your minds before the battle that we are gonna be victorious. Don't cry to give up. Try to keep going. Don't cry to quit. You're already in a pain and you already hurt. Get a reward from it. At the end of the pain and the success, you are not gonna die because you're feeling a little pain. You tell yourself, I won't give up. When the depression hits you, come out of now here. You tell yourself, I won't give up.